Students, so today we are going to see class 7th English subject. So in the 5th lesson we have seen the lesson A Trip to Andaman and B bit a poem and C bit now we will see the short story. So here you can see C bit is reading. So they have given some short story. Now we will see. Sindbad the sailor. So here Sindbad, he is a sailor. I bought a substantial stock of goods to trade and sailed on a ship with a number of my merchant friends. So what Sindbad did? He bought a stock of goods to trade and sailed on the ship. So they sailed on the ship with a friends. We placed ourselves in the care of Allah and set off. So what they did, they placed their trust in the care of Allah and they set off. Soon we reached an island. So soon they reached the island. We decided to go ashore. My friends went to gather fruits and flowers, but I took my food packet to a place in the shade. So what they did, they decided to go ashore. Sindbad friends, what they did, they gathered some fruits and flowers. But Sindbad, what he did, he took his food packet and sat in the shade. I had a good meal and lay down to sleep under the trees. So after taking a meal, what Sindbad did, he lay down to sleep under the trees. I don't know how long I slept, but when I woke up and looked out the sea, the ship had gone. So Sindbad, what he did, he lay down to sleep under the trees. So after some time, Sindbad don't know how long he slept. After waking up, he looked out the sea and he saw that ship had gone. I was all alone. So Sindbad was all alone, not knowing what to do. He don't know what to do and where to go. I climbed up to the top of a tall tree and looked over the island on all sides. So what Sindbad did, he climbed up a tall tree, top of the tall tree, and looked over the island on all sides. In the distance, I could see something white and decided to find out what it was. So what he saw in the long distance, means far away from the island, what he saw, he saw something white and decided to find out what it is. Soon I came to what seemed like a huge white ball. So he came to know that it is means he is assuming that it might be a huge white ball. When I touched it, it felt very smooth. So after touching it, it was very smooth. It was so high that I could not see the top of it. So it was so high that the Sindbad could not see the top of it. And it was more than 50 paces round. 50 paces round means 50 paces means round and round, like that 50 paces round. There were no door on any side and it was too smooth to climb. So there is no door on any side and it was too smooth to climb. Suddenly, then sky above me became dark. So suddenly the sky above me became dark. So it was too dark. It was started becoming the night. As if a huge cloud was covering it. Look up, I saw that the darkness was caused by the shadow of huge bird that was flying towards me. So it was not a night or not a evening. Looking up, he looked up and saw the darkness. So because of the darkness, he looked up and he saw that the shadow is of a huge bird. So the shadow was of a huge bird that was flying towards me. So it was flying towards Sindbad. I had often heard sailors talk a great and wonderful bird called a roc. So he often heard sailors talk. So some sailors used to talk about the great wonderful bird called roc. This must be roc, I thought, and this huge ball must be its egg. So Sindbad is thinking that This must be a rock, and this huge ball must be its egg. So again the bird came nearer and sat on its egg. So the bird came and sat on its egg. I soon crept close to the egg. Near me was one of the bird's leg, which was as big as a tree. So the Sindbad was near the egg, and the bird came nearer to sit on its egg. So the bird's leg, which was big as a tree. Here you can see the the bird's leg is as big as like a tree. I decided to myself to the leg to his bird with my turban, so that when it flew away from the island, it would carry me with it. So what the Sindbad did, he tied himself to this leg. So what he did, he tied it. So he tied himself to bird's leg. Here you can see he tied himself to bird's leg with a turban, so that when the bird flew away from the island, it would carry me with it. At a daybreak, the bird flew up so high that I was carried out of sight of the island. So after a daybreak, the bird flew so high and Sindbad was carried out of the island. Then it came down again so fast that it lost my senses. So as soon as the bird flew up so high, then it came down again so fast that Sindbad lost his senses. When I found myself on the ground, I quickly untied the turban. The bird caught up a snake and flew away. So then it came down again so fastly that Sindbad lost his senses. Then Sindbad found himself on the ground and quickly untied the turban. So again the bird, what the bird did, the bird caught up a snake and flew away. So he caught up a snake and flew away. So I hope you have understood the beginning story. Remaining we will continue in the next class. Thank you.